Let us see the next concept here. We are solving the previous, I explained about the extended compound angles. Now we are going to learn some important results from this. So after that we will do some problems, and next we are going to the next concept. So here sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b formula is sin square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus cos square a. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b formula is sin square a minus sin square b. If you take this sin square a, you convert into 1 minus cos square a, and if you take this as sin square b as 1 minus sin cos square b, then again you will get this one. So these two things are similar, same only. Just sin a changing into 1 minus cos square a, sin b changing into 1 minus cos square b. Then after solving this, you are getting this. But mainly how you got this above one, that is a question mark. Sin of a plus b can be written, sin of a plus b can be written as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b can be written as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, this is the formula we have. So sin of a plus b, this formula, sin of a minus b is that formula. Now what we write here, generally this one, a plus b into a minus b, it's look like a plus b into a minus b. That's why we can write as a square minus b square. That is, I can write as this is sin a cos b whole square minus cos a sin b whole square. Squaring here, I get as sin square a into cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b. Just look at that. Now you have to get actually sin square a minus sin square b. So I write as sin square a, and this cos square b I will write as 1 minus sin square b. I write as 1 minus sin square b minus, this is I can write as cos square a. Okay, this sin square b I will write as 1 minus cos square a I will write as, so here I need to write as what here, sin square a sin square b. So I have to get in terms of sin, not in cos. So I am changing the cos as 1 minus sin square a into sin square b. So what I am going to do here, I will multiply this. If I multiply this is sin square a into 1. This is I wrote it, this is a short notation because to understand it, minus sin square a into sin square a. This is what you have here, sin square a into sin square b after multiplication here, minus sin square b into 1 sin square b. Okay, minus into minus plus, I am going to get as sin square a into sin square b. This one and this one cancel. I got as sin square a minus sin square b. So this is the important result. Okay, sin a plus b into sin a minus b formula is sin square a minus sin square b. As same as we have in the similar way, we can write as cos formula also. So cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula is cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula is cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a. We can write this formula. These are very important formulas. Now find the value of sin theta upon sin square theta by 2 plus pi by 12 minus sin square theta by 2 minus pi by 12. So whenever you have like this, so it is looking like a same previous formula, sin theta divided by, you have to find the value of this. So sin square a minus sin square b formula is what? Sin of a plus b, this is a plus b, a plus b, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b I can write, a minus b I can write, correct. So if I solve this one, what I am going to get here, sin theta upon, here pi by 2 cancel, theta by 2 plus theta by 2, that is 2 theta by 2, that is theta, sin theta. And here I get as here minus, if I take out common, minus plus pi by 2, this is cancel out. And here minus into minus plus, so I get pi by 2 plus pi by 2, I am going to get as pi, sin pi I am going to get, correct? So here you know sin theta gets cancelled. 1 upon sin pi is minus 1, right? Sin pi is how much? Pi, if you want to know, here this is the value. And you can see this is what is the x coordinate here? X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 1. So sin theta is equal to, you know that, what is the formula of sin theta? Yes. If you don't know in this way, you can just see that sine of 180 I can write 90 plus 90, correct? You can write a sine of 90 plus 90. So sine 90, the sign will be changed. Sine is changing into cos 90. Cos 90 is how much? Cos 90 is 0. So here sine 180 will be 0. 1 upon 0. Let me check once. So sine 180 is 0, right? Actually 1 upon 0. Not actually, here the mistake happened. This is pi by 12. Pi by 12. Okay. They given theta pi by 12, right? Theta by pi by 12, theta by pi. So when you are adding here theta by 2 plus pi by 12 plus theta by 2 minus pi by 12. This is cancelled. You got sin theta. Here sine of theta by 2 plus pi by 2 minus theta by 2 minus this one. Okay. Theta by 2 plus pi by 12. Okay, sin theta by 2 plus pi by 12 minus theta by 2 minus pi by 12. So that value I am going to get is, I am going to get that value is here sine of, I am going to get as sine of pi by 2 plus pi by 2. That is, I am going to get as 2 pi by 12. Sorry, pi by 12 plus pi by 12, that is 2 pi by 12, that is cancel out pi by 6. So what I get here, 1 upon sine pi by 6. 1 upon sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of that is 2. So the answer is 2. I repeat once again. Here sine of a plus b into minus sine square a minus sine square b can be written as sine of a plus b into sine of a plus b sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. A is this plus b is this. A is this minus b is this. So after you cancel out, you are going to get a sine theta upon sine theta into, here I am going to get sine 2 pi by 12, 2 cancel 6 times. So 1 upon sine pi by 6, that is 1 upon sine pi by 6 is 1 upon 1 by 2. The answer is 2. 2 is the right answer. See here, next question here. If a plus b is equal to pi by 3, then find the value of cos square a minus cos square b minus cos a cos b. Is asking this one. See, whenever this type of question given, previous also I gave you a trick I explained. Whenever you have a plus b is pi by 3, sum of the angles is pi by 3, 2 angles is pi by 3. To take, if it is cos and sine, I told you, you can take any number, any angle you can take. Sine, cos, no problem, you can take any. But tan, cot, whenever you get the equation in tan, cot, don't take 90 and 0 degrees. That's only the one you have to keep in the brain. So here a plus b is pi by 3. So can I take a is equal to 0 degrees and b is equal to pi by 3? You can take it this. Because you know pi by 3 value is how much? 180 by 6, 180 by 3. Right, that is 60 degrees. You can take 30 also. Okay, pi by 6 plus pi by 6 you can take it. That is pi by 3 I will get. So you can take pi by 3 or 0 pi by 3. That's up to you. Okay. So here is this value is becomes cos square 0 degrees. Cos square 0 degrees. A value 0, B value pi by 3. Minus cos square pi by 3 minus cos 0 degrees into cos pi by 3. That is the required answer. So cos square 0 is 1 minus cos pi by 3 is 1. Cos pi by 3 is how much? Root 2, right? 1 by root 2. 1 by no 1 by 2, 2 square. See here 1 by 4, right? 1 by 2. Actually cos, this is pi 60 degrees, right? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus cos 0 is 1. Cos pi by 3, 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 whole square. So what I am getting here is 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 4. The answer is 3 by 4. So likewise we will solve the problems based on this. going to end up the today now we are going to end up this topic. So sin of a plus b plus c is equal to, we have formula sin a cos b cos c plus sin b cos a cos c plus cos c cos a cos b minus sin a sin b sin c is the formula. So by this we can find sin 3a formula, cos 3a formula, tan 3a formula. So we are end upping these problems on the extended compound angles as today. So you can take here b place as a, c place as a, and just you can see here you are going to get here sin a, sin b, sin c. So here you are going to get here what here, b is equal to a and c is equal to a, then I am going to get as sin a into sin a into sin a. How much I got? Sin a into sin a into sin a, sin cube a, sin cube a. Like this sin cube here, how many times I am going to get? Here sin a into sin cos a into cos sin a, what I am going to get here? Sin of a plus b plus c is equal to sin a cos b cos c plus sin b cos a cos c plus sin c cos a cos b minus sin a sin b sin c. You have this formula. So what I am going to get here, here I am going to get here sin a, wait, I'll write it. It's not clear, so I can write here is sin a cos a cos a, this is I am going to get, plus here sin a cos a cos a, next sin a cos a minus, here I am going to get sin a sin a sin a. This is what I am going to do. Actually sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Tan 3a formula is 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus tan square a. These are the formulas. Now how they came? You know sin of a plus b plus c, cos of a plus b plus c, tan of a plus b plus c, that using that only. But here b is equal to, we are writing a, and c is equal to, we are writing a. So I get as a, that is sin 3a. I will get sin 3a. And this here I am going to get as sin a into cos square a plus sin a into cos square a plus sin a into cos square a minus sin cube a. I am getting sin cube a. Okay, so what I will write here, cos square a, can I write as cos square as sin square sin a into 1 minus, this is I can write as 1 minus I can write as sin square a, 1 minus sin square a plus sin a into, here I can write as 1 minus sin square a plus sin a into 1 minus sin square a minus sin cube a. So what I am going to get here, sin a is 1 into 1 is sin a minus I am going to get sin cube a plus sin a into 1 is sin a minus I am going to get sin cube a. Sin a into a is sin a minus I am going to get sin cube a, again minus sin cube a. You can see there sin cube a I got 4 times, and sin a here I got, sin a here I got sin a. Sin a plus sin a plus sin a is 3 sin a minus sin cube a, sin cube a, sin cube a, sin cube a minus 4 sin cube a. So sin of a plus b plus c is, this is the formula. If you replace b as a, c as a, and substitute here sin cos change into sin, cos change into sin, and multiply and simplify this, I am going to get 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. As same as it is, you will get cos 3a tan 3a. So remember these formulas, and we are going to solve problems tomorrow more. Okay, till then take care, bye bye.